Welcome. We're going to go through Module 1, Task 4. This is the case where they're building a rabbit pen, and we know it's 72 feet long. That represents the perimeter. And the question is, if you use the entire 72 feet, what are the dimensions of the pen? The pen is rectangular. I labeled length and width, so a perimeter is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. And one way to do this is a table. We know we need to end up with 72. So whoops, let me just change this to this. Okay. And so let's try 18. 2 times 18 is 36. 2 times 18 is 36. 36 plus 36 is 72. What if we picked something a little bit different? Let's see, we could do 72, I'm trying to think, 36. What if we said 10? Okay, if the length is 10, 2 times 10 plus 2 times the width is equal to 72. Then 2 times the width is equal to 72 minus 20, which is 52. And width is equal to 26, or 2, yeah, width is equal to 26. So then we could have 10, let me make sure that's right. So 20, we're going to 72, 52, 2 times the width is 52, so it'd be 26. So that works. It could also work the other way. If we had 26, that means the width would have to be 10. So those are some possibilities. The question is, what is the largest area? So you can try, one thing as a table, you can try a lot of different things here. Like if you did try, let's say 10 and 26 and 18 and 18 and 26 and 10 are some possibilities. Area is length times width. So in this case, 260. In this case, 18 squared. In this case, 260. So 18 squared, I don't know that one off the top of my head. 8 and 6 is 14. 18, 4, 2. I get 324, hopefully. So we can see that when the length and width is the same, the area is the greatest at 324. Write a model. Okay. Now the thing to think about this is when you're doing a model, you want only 2 variables, and the variables that I'm going to use are going to be area and length. I don't want width. Okay. And so I can use my equation of 2L plus 2W equals 72, and what I can do is I can write W in terms of L. So this would mean that 2W is 72 minus 2L. So W is 36, shucks. There we go. 36 minus L. So my equation, or my function, area, it's A of L. A is the dependent, L is the independent, is going to be my length times my width, but my width is 36 minus L. All right, so that's my actual equation of A in terms of L. If I was to graph that, I'm not going to include a 0 value because it wouldn't be a rectangle. And also if my length is 36, I'm also going to not include that value. But what I'm going to see, you can go ahead and graph this, is I'm going to see a parabola, and my parabola is going to have a maximum value. Okay. And then the other question I was going to look at, you can see the maximum value is the halfway point. Okay. This is quadratic. And I would go back to my table. I'd make a table here, area, length and area, and look at the change in area, and the second change will be the same.